What if I told you that the way you prepare and eat your meals could help you feel more connected, energized, and at peace? Curious how mindful eating and meal prepping can turn a basic salad into a nourishing ritual for your well being? If this sounds like you, then this video might be for you. But first, allow me to introduce myself. I am Reynolda Jones, and I'm the CEO and lead therapist here at A Solution B, a holistic mental health private practice in the greater Grand Rapids, Michigan area, where we specialize in working with women, entrepreneurs, and leaders who are dealing with stress, anxiety, and PTSD. So, if you are a current follower, thank you for your continued followingship. And if you are new to this channel on any of the social media outlets that this video is playing, thank you for joining me today. Today, we're going to prepare a refreshing and balanced salad in a jar, perfect for meal prep or a quick on the go lunch. We're focusing on mindfulness and enjoying the process of creating something nourishing. So, join me in my kitchen. I'm using a BPA-free plastic jar today. A BPA-free plastic jar provides a wellness-friendly alternative to a mason jar, ensuring your food is stored safely without harmful chemicals while being lightweight and durable. To make it easy for you to find the BPA-free plastic jar I use in this video, I've added my Amazon affiliate link in the description below. Feel free to check it out. We begin by pouring our avocado oil and your favorite dressing into the bottom of the jar. Adding a healthy oil like olive oil or avocado oil to your salad boosts wellness by enhancing nutrient absorption, particularly fat-soluble vitamins. This ensures the dressing doesn't make our greens soggy while it waits to be enjoyed. Let's watch as we coat the bottom and take a moment to appreciate the vibrant colors. Next, we'll gently add the cherry tomatoes. By placing them on the bottom, they'll hold up well and absorb the delicious dressing without breaking down. Now we'll layer in the sliced cucumbers. Feel the coolness of the cucumber as you place each slice. They add a refreshing crunch to balance the juicy tomatoes. The dairy-free shredded cheeses goes next. Its creamy, savory notes will contrast beautifully with the flavor of the salad dressing. As you sprinkle the cheese, be mindful of its soft texture and how it complements the other ingredients. Now, we'll add our turkey pepperoni slices. These are protein packed, keeping our salad satisfying and hearty. Gently arrange the slices over the dairy free cheese, noticing how each layer builds upon the last. You can also use other meats like deli sliced chicken or opt for meat alternatives like plant based protein strips for a personalized touch. For a little zing, add the optional sliced red onions. If you enjoy a bit of sharpness in your salad, the onions will add just the right kick. Finally, pack in the mixed salad greens. I'm using romaine today, and press them lightly to fit them snugly on top of the other ingredients. These greens are the heart of our salad, rich in nutrients and full of color. To finish, sprinkle the chopped nuts or seeds over the greens for some added crunch and healthy fats. You can choose almonds or walnuts. I'm choosing sunflowers today, whichever speaks to you. I'm also adding craisins for added natural sweetness. and a dash of Italian seasoning mix. With our salad complete, let's seal the jar with a tight fitting lid. Mindfully close the jar and appreciate the vibrant layers of our creation. This salad can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 4 days, ready for whenever you need it. When you're ready to eat, give the jar a good shake to distribute the dressing and enjoy it right from the jar. Or pour it into a bowl and toss to combine. The flavors will blend together perfectly with each bite. By mindfully assembling the salad, we created something both nourishing and beautiful. Eating is not just about filling our bodies, but also about the care and intention we put into what we prepare. Enjoy your salad. And thank you for joining me in making this mindful salad in a jar. Remember to slow down, enjoy the process, and nourish your body with love. Until next time, bye bye.